Hello everybody, in today's episode I will show you how to remove the front headlight on a Mercedes C-Class from 2008 to 2015. You won't be able to remove the headlight if you don't remove the bumper. So I will leave a link down below with a video of mine where I will show you how to remove the front bumper on this car, and only after that you will be able to remove the headlight. To remove the headlight, what you have to do is to remove those three bolts. You have one right here in the left side, you have another one onto the top of the headlight, and you will have another one right next to the front grille in the right side of the headlight. To remove those three bolts, you will need an 8mm socket and an extension. After that, the only thing that you need to do is to remove the wires from the back of the headlight, and the headlight will come out and you will be able to remove it completely from the car. From here, just follow what I'm doing and you'll be good to go. After you're done with removing all the screws which are holding the headlight mounted onto the car, you can try to pull from the wires from the behind of the headlight. You can also use a flat screwdriver because it can be easier to remove it. As you all can see, the wire from my headlight it's stuck. It's a little difficult for me to remove it with my bare hands, so I took a flat screwdriver, I took a metal bar, and that metal bar helped me to remove it easier. Okay, so the wires from the back of the headlight finally came out. This is all you have to do in order to remove your front headlight from a Mercedes C-Class from 2008 to 2015. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.